My name is Drew, and I'm a professional health coach, and I've helped hundreds of people just like you lose weight even when they're at the end of the rope and they felt they had tried everything before. But let's be honest for a minute. Diet advice is downright confusing. Don't eat carbs, eat more carbs, eat fewer calories, eat more calories, eat less fat. No, wait, you have to eat more fat. It's enough to drive anyone crazy. That's why I put this video together for you. I just want to give you the information you need to lose weight and get healthy in the easiest, fastest way possible. Because I promise you, no matter where you are right now, you can lose the weight, you can get healthy, and you can look and feel like someone 5, 10, even 20 years younger. You just need to understand a few simple things. And trust me, it doesn't matter if you need to lose 10, 20, 30, 40 pounds or more. If you want to lose fat from your belly, your arms, your back, your thighs, your butt, wherever, once you see how simple this is, you'll realize literally anyone can do it.